Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI MAG401QR 40-inch gaming monitor, a massive ultra-wide built for immersive gameplay and serious multitasking. This display features a 3440 by 1440 resolution, stretched across a huge 40-inch panel with a 21:9 aspect ratio. That extra width gives you expanded peripheral vision in games, and plenty of space for multiple windows when working or streaming. Performance is solid as well, with a 155 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. Motion feels smooth and responsive, especially in fast-paced shooters, racing titles, and competitive games. You get fluid action without noticeable lag, helping you stay precise when it matters most. The IPS panel keeps colors vibrant and consistent from different viewing angles, and HDR400 support adds improved contrast and brightness for more dynamic visuals. MSI also includes anti-flicker technology to reduce eye strain during long sessions, along with Mystic Light RGB to customize your setup's look. One thing to consider is the size. At 40 inches, this monitor takes up significant desk space, so make sure your setup can accommodate it. Overall, the MAG401QR delivers an expansive ultra-wide experience with smooth performance and bold visuals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.